Hey, what's up guys? Today's video is going to be a little different from what I review on this channel. I cover a lot of smartwatches and health features they provide, like activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, and now even blood pressure measurement is available on newer watches. So today, I'm going to be reviewing a dedicated blood pressure monitor, or in medical terminology, a sphygmomanometer that comes with an app and you can monitor it all on your smartphone. Pretty cool, right? The name is MoonO and it comes in this big, very high quality packaging. Here you can see everything we will get inside the box. The mainframe, cuff that goes on your arm, Type-C charging cable, which is fantastic since you can simply charge it with your phone's charging cable, a storage bag, user manual, and a quick start guide. So let's open it up. The first thing that you see here is the user manual and quick start guide. Next, we get to the mainframe device. This feels absolutely high quality and serves quite a few functions. On one side is a big round display where you can see and read all the information like your measurements and battery status, etc. And next to it is something that I have never seen before on a blood pressure monitor, a hand resting pillow. Now if you're thinking that why exactly this was necessary, then you're no different from me. Actually, this armrest is important in getting your posture right. Once your hand is resting on it, it creates a 12-degree angle between the elbow and the flat surface, which is the accurate posture for the best measurement. Also, it is very soft and feels very comfortable, and I must say, sophisticated. Having spent my fair share of time around blood pressure monitors at home and at work, I must say that this one is very stylish and different from anything that I have seen out there. Perhaps the idea was to alleviate the anxiety that is usually around these type of devices that are usually linked with poor health or some kind of health issues. And I must add that on the first glance, very few people will realize that this is what it really is. And in that sense, the company has succeeded in what they were attempting to do. Moving on, at the other end, we have big round bulky display with buttons and ports sprinkled all around it. The button at the lower edge is the start-stop button, which is self-explanatory, and the one at the top end is the voice control button that lets you mute or unmute the sound. And right there below it is the USB-C charging port. On the right is a port where the cuff is attached to the mainframe. The bottom is flat with two anti-slip pads at both ends. The whole thing is very well put together and exudes absolute quality. Furthermore, inside the box there is the cuff, a storage bag, and as mentioned before, a USB-C charging cable. As you unfold the cuff, you can see the measurements marked on it that can help you measure your arm width and allow you to keep the same tightness of the cuff every time you measure your blood pressure for more consistent measurements. There is also some other information printed here as to how you should be using this cuff, which is nice added bonus. Using it is a straightforward affair. First, download the MoonO app on your smartphone, create an account and add in all your health information. Next, long press the start button until the display turns on. You can connect your phone with the device by tapping on the Bluetooth icon in the app, or it will auto detect the device and connect automatically. Then put on the cuff on your arm, make sure the up is up and down is down, and the tube is placed in the midline of your forearm. Attach the other end with the device, place your arm on the rest pillow and press start. And within a few seconds, you will get the results and also see it in your app on your phone. At the top, it also shows the battery status, whether the device is muted or not, and Bluetooth status. So that is how this blood pressure monitor works. Now there are some interesting features in the app as well. On the main page, you can see the trend of your blood pressure readings over time and how many episodes of elevated blood pressures you have had, if any. You can also tap on the readings to see the WHO advice regarding the blood pressure results you got. And finally, you can add more users or family members so they can all have their data separate in the app. In the health section, you can read articles about blood pressure health and educate yourself. In the care section, if your friends also have one of these, you can see their data and chat with them as well. Hopefully only to see who is doing better health-wise and motivate each other. On a single charge, the battery will last for up to 2 months, which is great because it removes the need or worry to charge it again and again and allows more freedom as compared to the removable battery-operated devices. When it comes to measuring the blood pressure, it only takes MoonO 28 seconds to get the results, which is pretty quick, once again as compared to the run-of-the-mill sphygmomanometers. And once you have your data in the app, over time, you can also share it with your doctors via email. The display color on MoonO changes to show at a glance whether you have normal, high, low, or borderline blood pressure. So let's say you are in the hypertensive stage. the display color will change to red to show that hypertensive stage. This lets you know more quickly if something is not right with your measurement. So that's about it from this video, guys. Let me know what you think about MoonO blood pressure device and whether you would be getting one for yourself. You can get a €10 discount on it if you use the coupon code in the description below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.